Now see what is given in question number 2. Now what is given in each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. So here we have two methods to find. So first one is what? Can anyone tell me how we can find the value of k? Here it is given that the points are collinear. So what does it mean? Points are collinear. इसका meaning क्या होता है? What does
I
it?
on the same place.
What happened? Okay, lie on the same line. Okay, तो अगर points एक ही line पे हैं, तो यहाँ पे triangle form होगा क्या? Will the triangle form here? No, triangle will not form. So what we can say, as the points are collinear, the area of triangle will be equal to 0. Yes or no? Because the points are collinear. We are having the 3 vertices. Triangle में भी 3 vertices होते हैं, but यहाँ पे तीनों भी जो vertices है triangle के वो collinear है. तो यहाँ पे हमको area of triangle will be equal to 0 because triangle is not forming here. So हम लोग यहाँ पे figure बनाएंगे पहले. Point A, whose coordinates are 7, -2. Point B, whose coordinates are 5, 1. And point C, whose coordinates are 3, k. Okay. So now, what is our formula? What is our formula for area of triangle in case of coordinate geometry? Yes. What is our formula? What is our formula? What is our formula? Okay, we have mentioned this statement as the points are collinear, so the area of triangle is equal to 0. Formula क्या है area of triangle का?
Half into x1 in bracket y2 minus y3
Okay,
plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2.
okay. Plus x2 अगर आएगा तो अंदर आएगा y3 minus y1 प्लस x3 अगर आएगा तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर आ जाएगा y1 minus y2. Okay, this is our formula for area of triangle. Now area of triangle it is equal to 0, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग 0 पुट कर देंगे. So ये 1/2. अभी मुझे बोलो ये 1/2 अगर मैं इधर LHS में शिफ्ट करता हूँ तो ये 2 का और 0 का प्रोडक्ट हो जाएगा. So what will be the result? What will be the result when we will do the product of 2 and 0? What will be the result? 0, correct. So x1 का वैल्यू कितना है? x1 is equal to 7. y2 का वैल्यू कितना है? It is 1. y3 का वैल्यू है k प्लस x2 का वैल्यू है 5. y3 का वैल्यू है k. y1 का वैल्यू है -2. So minus minus this will become +2. And next is what? x3. x3 is equal to 3 in bracket. y1 is what? What is the value of y1? It is -2 and y2 is 1. So this will become -1. So 0 will be equal to 7 in bracket 1 minus k plus 5 in bracket k plus 2 plus 3 multiplied by -3. So here it will come -9. Okay. Are the values correct? Please check it. Are the values correct? Are the values correct? Please check it. Okay. तो अभी ये 7 को अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूं मैं, तो ये हो जाएगा 7 -7k, 5 को भी अंदर मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूं तो ये हो जाएगा 5k + 10 - 9. Now bring all the k terms on one side and constant terms on the other side. So we will shift k terms to LHS. So 7k, this will become -5k, will be equal to 7 + 10 is 17. 17 में से 9 जाने के बाद कितना बचेगा? Yes, you can also find it with the help of distance formula, but as it is under area of triangle topic, so we are using the area of triangle formula only here. You can find it that way also. Sorry, you can find it that way also. Okay, Viraj. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 8, तो ये होगा 2k is equal to 8 and k will be equal to 4. So the value of k is what? It is equal to 4. Is it clear to you? Any doubt to anyone? Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Okay. How was the yesterday's test? There was one question related to case study. How was the test? Actual exam will be, means yesterday's test and actual exam, it will be somewhat like same only. जो कल के टेस्ट में क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे वैसे ही आपको एग्जाम्स में भी क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे इन द फर्स्ट टर्म एग्जाम. नाउ यहाँ से आगे जितने भी टेस्ट होंगे वो ऐसे ही फॉर्म में होगा. एटलीस्ट एक तो भी केस स्टडी रहेगा आपको जो 5 मार्क्स को पूछा जाएगा इन एवरी टेस्ट. Okay, so k is equal to 4. Who will tell me the answer of second one now? In second question, second one. Yes, questions were shuffled, no doubt. But for case study, I have given that theory part for every question. It was there for every question. फिर क्वेश्चन शफल हो कुछ भी हो कोई मायने नहीं रखता है. चलो, who will tell me the second one, the solution for the second one? फर्स्ट वन जैसा ही करना है, यहाँ पे भी k का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. First of all, I will draw the figure for you. This is point A, this is point B, and this is point C. तो ये point A है 8,1, point B है k, -4 और point C है 2, -5. So as the points are collinear, so area of triangle ABC will be equal to 0 because the points are collinear. Who will tell me the formula and who will tell me the further solution of it? Yes, anyone? Area of triangle ABC. Yes, बोलो आगे क्या करना है? What we will do next? हर्ष चौधरी बोलो. Yes, Harsh.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
So the formula is triangle ABC, area of triangle ABC is equals to half into x1 y2 minus y3
Okay, correct.
plus x2
Okay,
in bracket y3 minus y1
correct.
plus x3 in bracket y1 minus y2.
Okay, so you have written the formula. Next, just we will have to put the values. What is the value of x1?
8.
8 in bracket y2.
So -4 minus of -5. So it will be +1.
Okay, this will become +5. Okay, next.
Then x2 is 8. K. X2 is k.
Okay, y3.
Y3 is -5 and minus y1 means -6.
minus y1. We will just put the values. After that, in the next step, we will calculate it. Okay.
Okay. -5 -1.
Minus 5, x3,
Minus.
x3, x3.
K will be 2.
Okay. y1.
1 minus of -4.
So plus 4. Okay.
Yes.
And area of triangle, it is equal to 0 because the points are
0.
collinear. So here the net effect will be what? 0. अभी यहाँ पे -4 plus 5 is what? 1. 1 multiplied by 8 is what? 8. Okay. And here we will multiply this k inside. So this will become minus 5k. Okay. This will become minus 5k minus k. या फिर हम लोग इसको कंबाइन करके भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते थे. ओके, आई विल इरेज इट फर्स्ट. -5 and -1 is what? -6. ओके, -6 और -6 को k से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद ये हो जाएगा -6k. यहाँ पे 1 plus 4 is what? 5. 5 2 is what? 10. I will shift this -6k to this side. So this will become +6k. And what is 8 plus 10? It is equal to 18. So k will be equal to 3. You can calculate the same value of k with the help of distance formula also. You will get the same answer. डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला से भी हम लोग यहाँ पे k का वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. Is it clear to you? Any doubt to anyone? But I would suggest use this only because it requires very less time. Using distance formula, it will take more time for calculation. You'll have to apply the distance formula 3 times. Okay, next one. What they have said, find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, -1, 2, 1, and 0, 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Okay, fine. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग ट्राइंगल बना लेते हैं. यहाँ पे दिस इज आवर ट्राइंगल. This is my point A whose coordinates are 0, -1. This is my point B whose coordinates are 2, 1. This is my point C whose coordinates are 0, 3. Now what they have said, find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle. Okay, so how we can get the midpoint? Yes, how we can get the midpoint and its coordinates? See, these are the midpoints. This is the midpoint of BC, this is the midpoint of AB, and this is the midpoint of AC. इसको नाम भी दे देंगे चलो D, E और F. सेक्शन फॉर्मूला करेक्ट, क्योंकि जो पॉइंट मिड पॉइंट होगा, okay, it will divide that segment into 2 equal parts. So we will join this also. This is triangle DEF. तो सबसे पहले हमको डी, ई और एफ के कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकालना पड़ेंगे. उसके बाद हम लोग उसका एरिया निकाल सकते हैं और उसके बाद हम लोग लास्ट में रेशो लेंगे फिर. ओके, सो coordinates of point D. First we will get the coordinates of point D. So we can get the coordinates of point D by section formula. By section formula. Okay, so x will be equal to, yes, who will tell me the formula of section formula? Section formula. What is section formula? I have given you the trick also to remember it.
m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2.
mx plus mx upon m1 plus m2. And here for y, what we write? My plus my अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. उसके बाद यहाँ पे 1 2 2 1, यहाँ पे भी 1 2 2 1. ओके, जस्ट पुट द वैल्यूज. सो m1 और m2 क्या होगा? एज इट इज द मिड पॉइंट, सो m1 and m2 will be equal to what? It will be equal to 1. So just do x2 plus x1. Okay, x2 plus x1 divided by 2. And here y कैसे मिलेगा? y2 plus y1 divided by 2. Now this is the midpoint formula. हाँ, ये midpoint formula है जो section formula से ही बना है. You can directly use this formula also. Midpoint formula. Yes, Shravani, I will send it after 30 minutes when the notification comes. Na, your meeting is going to end after 10 minutes. That time I will send you the attendance link. This is midpoint formula. So directly use this formula. Okay. So what will be the value of x then? x2 क्या आएगा? x2 is 2 plus 0 upon 2. और y क्या है यहाँ पे? y2 है मेरा 1 minus 1 upon 2. So x will come what? X will come 1 and y will come what? 0. So point D के coordinates क्या मिले हैं मुझे? 1, 0. Similarly, tell me the coordinates of point E by using this midpoint formula. Tell me the coordinates of point E. What will be the coordinates of point E? 1, 2. Okay. So I'm directly writing here. Huh? You will find it like this. Using this midpoint formula, you will find the coordinates of point E. उसके बाद coordinates of point F find कीजिए. बताइए मुझे कितना आता है? What are the coordinates of point F? 0, 1. Others, please check it out whether the coordinates are correct or not. Now I have the coordinates of this D, E, and F, and it is forming a triangle. Okay, so now I need to calculate the area of this triangle. So area of triangle DEF will be equal to 1/2 into in bracket x1 multiplied by y2 minus y3. उसके बाद next plus x2 multiplied by y3 minus y1 plus x3 multiplied by y1 minus y2. Chalo, put the values and tell me the area of triangle DEF. What will be the area of triangle DEF? x1 कितना है मेरा 1 है, y2 कितना है मेरा 2 है, y3 मेरा 1 है. Okay, x2 is what? x2 is equal to 1, y3 is equal to 1, y1 is equal to 0. x3 कितना है मेरा 0 और y1 कितना है मेरा y1. Where is y1? This is y1. So 0 minus y2 is what? It is equal to 2. So half, this will become 2 minus 1 is what? 1. And 1 minus 0 is what? 1. 1 here it will come 1 and plus 0. So 2 upon 2, that is nothing but equal to 1 square units, as it is the area. So the unit will be 1 square unit. Now I have the area of triangle DEF. Now using the same formula, find out the area of triangle ABC. Four times, correct. Okay. 4 times it will come, the bigger triangle. So what will be the ratio then? Finally, the ratio will come what? Area of triangle DEF upon area of triangle ABC. इसका रेशियो आएगा 1/4 या फिर 1:4. Is it clear to you? Any doubt to anyone in this question? Is it clear to you? सबसे पहले हमने मिड पॉइंट फाइंड किया था तीनों सेगमेंट का, फिर वो तीनों मिड पॉइंट को ज्वाइन किया था, और तीनों मिड पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करने से एक छोटा वाला ट्राइंगल बना है इंटरनली. ओके. और वो वाले ट्राइंगल का एरिया और बड़े वाले ट्राइंगल का एरिया, इसका हमको रेशो निकालना है. Okay, next one. Now one quadrilateral is there, and if we divide the quadrilateral diagonally, what will happen? Two triangles will be found. So find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are -4, -2, -3, -5, 3, -2, and 2, 3. So first of all, we will form a quadrilateral. Now, as it is a quadrilateral, it can be of any shape. Just it should have four sides. Ha, Rishikesh, I will send you the attendance. After 30 minutes, one notification comes that last 10 minutes are remaining. That time I will send you the attendance link. -4, -2, -3, 5, सॉरी -5 है यहाँ पे. C का कोऑर्डिनेट है 3, -2, और D का कोऑर्डिनेट है 2, 3. तो मैं एक डायगोनल बना रहा हूँ यहाँ पे, ये क्वाड्रिलेटरल की डायगोनल AC. So what this diagonal will do, it will divide the triangles. Okay, it will divide the quadrilateral. Okay. So now I can get the area of triangle ADC and area of triangle ABC using the formula of area of triangle of coordinate geometry. And after that, I will add both the triangles area to get the area of this quadrilateral. So what I can write? Area of quadrilateral ABCD will be equal to what? Area of triangle ADC plus area of triangle ABC. हाँ, और हमको पता है अभी एरिया कैसे निकालना है. फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ADC. So what is the formula? 1/2 in bracket x1 in bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 in bracket y3 minus y1 plus x3 in bracket y1 minus y2. Just put the values and tell me the area of triangle ADC. What is the area of triangle ADC? Yes, what is the area? 35/2. Only Gauri got the answer. What about others? (35/2 square units). Okay. So the area will come what? 35/2 square units. Similarly, using the same formula, find out the area of triangle ABC and tell me what is the area. See this notification which is displayed on the screen, running out of time. This meeting will end in 10 minutes. Daily when this notification comes, na, that time only I will send you the attendance link. Okay, I have posted the attendance link. Please fill your attendance. (21/2). अभी दोनों को ऐड कर दो, कितना आएगा फिर क्वाड्रिलेटरल का एरिया? This is 21/2 square units. So the area of quadrilateral ABCD will be equal to 35/2 plus 21/2. अभी दोनों का डिनोमिनेटर सेम है तो we will take common denominator. What is 35 plus 21? It is 56. So half of 56 is what? 28 square units is the area of this quadrilateral. So if the coordinates of quadrilateral are given, we can find the area also of that quadrilateral using this formula of area of triangle. Is it clear to you? Please fill the attendance. Okay, only last question is remaining of this chapter. Okay, exercise 7.4 optional. You will try it. If you are having any difficulty, you can ask me in the revision class. Last question of this exercise. So we will see the question. Now it is regarding your 9th standard. You have studied in class 9th, chapter 9, example 3, that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result of triangle ABC whose vertices are given. A 4, -6, B 3, -2 and C is 5, 2. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग यहाँ पे ट्राइंगल बनाएंगे. Okay, we will form a triangle here. This is my vertex A its coordinates are 4 comma minus 6. This is my vertex B. Its coordinates are 3 comma minus 2. This is my vertex C. Its coordinates are 5 comma 2. Okay, 5 comma 2. अब तीनों कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिखने के बाद हमको क्या बोला है कि मीडियन जो होता है, ओके, मीडियन जो है, अभी हम लोग वर्टेक्स ए से मीडियन ड्रॉ करेंगे। सबसे पहली बात, मीडियन ड्रॉ करने के बाद क्या होगा, ये जो साइड बीसी है ना, ये दो इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो जाएगा। ओके, तो यहाँ पे सपोज हम लोग डी पॉइंट लेंगे, तो ये डी पॉइंट जो होगा, व्हाट विल बी डी पॉइंट ऑफ दिस बीसी सेगमेंट, इट विल बी द मिड पॉइंट। So now we know how to calculate the coordinates of this midpoint using section formula या फिर midpoint formula. We will get the coordinates of this first. Tell me what are the coordinates of point D? Yes, come on, find out the coordinates using the midpoint formula. What are the coordinates of point D? What are the coordinates? 4 comma 0. Okay, 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0 ये कोऑर्डिनेट मिलने के बाद आप क्या करोगे, ये वाला जो ट्राइंगल है ए बी डी, इसको आप एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल का फॉर्मूला लगाओगे एंड यू विल कैलकुलेट द एरिया। उसके बाद ये वाला जो ट्राइंगल है ए डी सी, इसको भी आप एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल का फॉर्मूला लगाओगे एंड यू विल कैलकुलेट द एरिया। एंड वन थिंग यू विल कम टू नोटिस दैट दिस एरिया इट इज इक्वल टू दिस एरिया. So thus the result is verified. That means the median of a triangle divides the triangle into two equal parts. Okay, finally you will mention that final statement. 3 square unit is the area of both the triangles. Okay, very good. So in this way we have completed the 7th chapter, that is coordinate geometry. We will start the new chapter from tomorrow, that is trigonometry. And see, I would suggest that don't miss any class of trigonometry, because if you understand trigonometry it is very easy. अगर समझ में नहीं आया तो उससे difficult कुछ भी नहीं है फिर.